Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we have a chef separating 160 liters of oil into two containers. The first container holds Q liters and the second container holds R liters. Since we know they add up to 160, we can say Q plus R is 160. Now we're going to need another equation because we have two variables, so you need two equations. Luckily, we're told that R is 8 less than 5 times Q. So 5 times Q, 8 less than that, subtract 8. Now we have two equations with two variables, so we can solve for them. We know that this is equal to R, so we can plug it in, this is called substitution, into your value for R right there. So we're just rewriting this first equation right there. Q plus R is equal to 160, you can think of it as Q plus, right here, 5Q minus 8, we're just plugging this in for R, is equal to 160. Now we have an equation with one variable, we can solve for that variable. 6Q, since we have Q plus 5Q, minus 8 is 160, plus 8, plus 8. These cancel, we're left with 6Q on one side, 168 on the other side. Getting Q on its own by dividing by 6, we get Q is equal to 168 divided by 6, which is, I can just do that out right here, don't have it off the top of my head. 6 into 16 twice, leaves us 12, remainder of 4, drop down the 8, 6 into 8, 8 times, so we're left with 28. What is the value of R? Well, we know the value of Q, and we know that R is 5Q minus 8, so we can just plug in, write that out actually, once again in the form that we already have it. Then we can just plug in 28 for Q right there. 5 times 28 minus 8. 5 times 28 is 140, minus 8 leaves us with R is 132. So this is actually what the problem is asking us. What is the value of R? 132 is our final answer, which lines up with the C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.